Are you looking for the best transcription jobs online for beginners? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many people keep asking me about a list of the best places to find transcription jobs, and therefore I decided to record this video where I will share 7 ways to find transcription jobs so you can easily get started. And I will also go more into how much you can earn and who this is for, so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I go over the 7 methods I want to show you, let me first talk a little bit about who this is for, because there sometimes are misconceptions about transcription jobs. So it's not necessarily difficult, but you do, for some jobs, need some experience. Some platforms, they take people that are quite new and don't have experience. Others, they require more experience. So you need to, of course, start somewhere, like with the ones that doesn't require a lot, and then build your way up. But even though you don't necessarily need a formal education, anything like that, of course you need to be quite good at language, the language you do transcriptions in. It doesn't have to be English, but you need to be good at that language, and also to be a good typer, because if not, it will just not be profitable for you. Sometimes people ask me, and they don't really know English or good at writing English, and they want transcription jobs in English. That's not realistic. You need to be good at the language you want to transcribe in. That's just one thing you need to consider. But if you are, and if you're a good typer, good at paying attention to detail, then this can be a way to potentially earn quite good money. So let's talk a little bit about how much you in general can earn, and then we'll go over the 7 platforms where you can find work like this. So how much you can earn, of course, depends on your experience. You will start getting paid a little bit less and build your way up, but you can, if you become a good transcriptionist and are good at what you're doing, earn a good full-time income. It is possible to earn somewhere between $2,000 and $5,000 per month when you really learn it and become good at it. I will also leave links below to information about other ways to build a good income where you potentially can take it even further online. But this is kind of the earning limit you should expect in general for this kind of work. So now that you know that, let's then go over the platforms where you can find this type of work. So the first platform is called HappyScribe, and this is, as you can see, a platform where you can find transcription jobs from home. This is one that offers transcription services for different companies, private people that needs this done. This can also be, for example, for subtitling, whatever, and therefore they need people to also do this. That's how it is with most of these platforms. They have different clients, and the advantage of finding platforms like this is that usually there will be quite a lot of work because they have a lot of clients. If you have to go out to find single clients, you can potentially earn more, but it will take more effort. So that's why it's great to start with platforms like this, and then you can build it from there. You see also they have transcribers from all these different countries, basically worldwide. You can see it's US, UK, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many more. So basically you can do it from anywhere as long as you, of course, have the required skills, the language skills, things like that. And you see how much you get paid per minute. This is per finished minute. This is not per minute it takes you to work. That's important to understand. The average pay for the transcribers is 450 euros, and some of the top earners earns up to 3,000 euros per month for this. So this is one of the platforms you can use. It's just called happyscribe.com. The next option is called Casting Words. If you go to workshop.castingwords.com, that's where you can find the registration to sign up and apply for these transcription jobs. As it is with all of these platforms, just because you sign up, there is no guarantee that you will get accepted and how much work there will be. That's why it can be a good option to use several platforms to find out which one works best for you. Next we have Transcribe Me, and again you can just go to the website and apply, and you can see they also very clearly write what they actually pay. They say here that they have this rate at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and top monthly earnings at around $2,200. Their average earnings $250 per month. So this is kind of what you can expect from this one. Also, you see they have different trainings there. They have flexibility. You can learn also why you do it. So this can also be a great option. Next we have quick take, and if you go there, you can see the website maybe not so fancy and updated as others, but it's still a place to potentially find work. You just need to know that this platform, if you scroll down, you can see that they do charge you $20 for a background check. So you have to pay this to even get a background check. There's no guarantee that they will accept you. This of course ensures that they don't have like that many people working for them, so that can give you some benefits, but it is something to be aware of that they charge this, so that's a disadvantage compared to some of the other platforms. You just need to be aware of that. So we're now more than halfway through the list, and it would be great if you just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. The next option is called Scribey. That's also a company that offers these transcription services to many different companies and people, and therefore they are looking for people that can do this work for them. And you can always go to the site and scroll down and see the current job openings. And of course, again, they have remote work. That is one of the advantages of doing transcription jobs. In many cases, or in most cases, you can do this from home or from anywhere, which gives a lot of flexibility. Personally, I do prefer earning while working online, because it just gives so much more freedom. When we talk about transcription jobs, we also have to mention Rev.com. It is one of the big platforms. They're especially known for doing different subtitles and transcription for videos and YouTube videos. I know quite a few YouTubers that use them to have subtitles created. I also have a full video where I talk more about that. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can learn all the details about this, but this can also definitely be a platform to find transcription jobs. The last option I want to show you is called Go Transcript. Again, you can see they offer jobs available worldwide. That is a great thing about many of these platforms. You can do this no matter the country you live in, as long as you have certain language skills, of course. And here they also show very clearly how much you can earn per minute, per audio minute. Again, this is not per minute you work, so that's why I said at the beginning you need to be fast at typing, good at paying attention to details, because if not, you will not earn a lot per hour there. Average earnings per month, 150. Top monthly earnings are per transcriber there. It's around $1,200 there. So again, gives decent earnings if you become good at it. So as you can see, if you're looking for transcription jobs, there are plenty of options out there, as long as you do it with the right expectations and have certain skills. But then there are great places to start, even if you have no experiences or if you don't have any great resume yet, as long as you of course have certain required basic skills, and then you can build your way up and earn quite good money here. So I showed all these options, so you can go there, you can sign up for several of them if you want to. I will also leave information below about other ways to potentially build a really good online income if you're interested in that, where you can potentially take it even further and build an even higher income. But no matter what, I hope it gave you some ideas about how to get started with transcription jobs, because so many people have asked me for a list like this, and therefore I really hope it did help you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time to see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.